Dark data at the enterprise level. What is it and what risks does it pose? The term big data is often referenced throughout the world of digital information technology. Its value stems from the fact that it provides fundamental insights into consumer, market, and business dynamics. These insights are typically revealed through the implementation of AI-driven classification and predictive algorithms, which allow businesses to monetize their datasets and streamline collaborative data processing practices through multi-cloud environments that span several business domains. Unfortunately, big data and the problems it generates at the enterprise level are just the tip of the iceberg. This is where dark data enters the scene. It encapsulates everything that lies beneath the surface. Importantly, dark data is technically distinct from big data. It is data harbored by an organization that does not yet have any monetary value, practice use, or coherent structure. In fact, the State of Dark Data report, sponsored by Splunk, revealed that globally approximately 55% of all data obtained by business is dark. Dark data in itself is not useless. On the contrary, seeing as many imperatives to build data-driven business models are becoming increasingly important. The ability to analyze and process dark data is paramount, especially companies that seek to generate a comparative market advantage for themselves while maintaining the integrity and security of their data infrastructure. What are the risks? As more data businesses adopt data fabric approaches to data infrastructure, which function through collaborative multi-cloud environments and machine learning analytics, their abilities to make sense of and organize their data will be challenged due to increasing complexity. This is troubling when considering that more than 90% of enterprises have now fully implemented multi-cloud structures into their business model. While multi-cloud platforms allow companies to build scalable data storage and acquisition infrastructure, they also generate a number of security risks. These risks can be moderately reduced using asset discovery tools, which help track various new software licenses and downloads, as well as novel DevOps instruments, all of which are consolidated into a database. However, given the complexity and pace of digital transformation, it is virtually impossible for companies to keep track of all their digital assets, especially those that are not used frequently. How should enterprises mitigate these risks? Fortunately, there are a few approaches an enterprise could take to mitigate the risks of dark data while also ensuring it is properly used when there is revenue potential. In the same State of Dark Data report mentioned earlier, it was additionally revealed that approximately 81% of individuals working in data-driven corporate environments believe that achieving a senior-level position is heavily influenced by one's data literacy. The primary issue with dark data is being able to distinguish it from native digital assets in the cloud. There are a few ways in which this issue can be resolved. Building data intelligence, ensuring the business is data-driven. Building data infrastructure that complies with regulation. If enterprises want to keep up with the expansion of big data in ways that generate profit but also respect consumers and regulatory frameworks, they must begin implementing new data infrastructures or practices that can both identify and distinguish dark data at a scale while maintaining native digital assets.